New to affiliate marketing? Begin with these tips. The allure of the supposed simplicity of affiliate marketing draws a lot of entrepreneurs to it as a potential income stream. However, the ship does not sail smoothly on its own if it isn't guided out of port with deft navigation. Read on into this video for some tips and tricks you can use to find and keep wind in your affiliate marketing sales. Avoid using services that hide domain ownership. It is believed that Google checks whether website owners have hidden their domain ownership information with services like domains by proxy and penalizes their sites by either reducing their rankings or increasing the time that the sites sit in the sandbox, the informal name given to the ranking penalty given to new sites until they prove themselves. Once you get your site up and running and you are on your way making money, you should consider purchasing more sites and expanding your affiliate advertising possibilities. If you have more outlets for viewing, you will inevitably have more visitors click on your links, giving you more money in the long run. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. Once the ship of affiliate marketing has set sail, course changes to a good heading are time-consuming. It's best to plot the right heading from the beginning for good winds to flow in. Keep the advice in this video in mind in your affiliate marketing efforts, and notice how much easier things are for you. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.